That is really good. Yeah, that is really good. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a really easy beer cheese dip. It's a warm dip, you can put it in a mini crock pot. Keep it easy, but we're going to start it off in a saucepan. I have all my ingredients together, but we're going to have to do this over at the stove, even though we can start part of it here. So I'm going to put my butter and flour into our saucepan, and then we'll head over to the stove. Melt butter, flour, onion powder, garlic powder, and cayenne pepper over medium heat in a saucepan. Cook for about 1 minute. We are going to add spicy brown mustard. Then we're going to stir in our beer and milk, a little at a time, whisking until it's nice and smooth. We are going to let that cook until it is bubbly. We're going to let that cook until it is thick and bubbly. Once it's thick and bubbly, we're going to start adding our cheeses. We're going to slowly add all the cheeses and mix them until everything is melted. From the stove, I'm going to pour this into my handy dandy mini crock pot. Now if you need to add more milk, or you could add more beer to make sure that this doesn't get too thick, you can. Now I'm going to pretend like I didn't already taste it. Okay, I put it in my crock pot. We're going to probably use this for fondue, but I'm going to go ahead and give this a little taste. Oh, it is so stretchy and ooey and gooey. Remember, if you keep this warm, it will be more liquidy. That's really good. That is super good. It tastes, if you use a darker beer, it's going to give you a bitter taste. If you use a sweeter beer, it's going to give you a sweeter taste. That is super, super good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.